What's up everybody, we're now at headquarters at Skinny Car Guys. Today we're going to be comparing two products today. You know, comparing both the Adams Polishing Ultra Foam Shampoo Adams Polishes I should say, compare it with the 3D. We're going to compare both on cleaning of the car, how easy is it to remove the viscosity and the foam of it, and also the mixture and everything, how complicated it is. So let's get started. Alright, so one thing to note in regards of the Adams and the 3D. The Adams smells like grape. As for the 3D smells like bubblegum. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked that video, and I hope you can see the comparison with the Adams and the 3D. Comment below, tell me what you think, tell me what you guys use, and see if we can compare it to a review. To be honest with you, I don't see much of a difference, other than the foam itself from 3D being a little more thicker as opposed to the Adams polish. Hopefully you liked the video. Subscribe, like. Where's it at? Where's the like button? Oh.
Down here. Like down there. Alright, press that like button.
And tell your friends and everything. Hopefully we can see you guys soon. Lights!